was able to put a temporary repair clamp on the line to stop the leak. I saw a little leak there.
But
that's
it's
like
not that
crazy.
right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. You still got a busted water meter over there.
Okay.
Busted lead line.
But now that shit doesn't turn off either, right? The valve doesn't turn it off.
There's a gate valve is broke in the off position.
Yeah. Oh, broken the hard, okay.